This is 15 from the practice worksheet. Here we are going to, we have bases that are not numbers. They're variables. So we have three variables in this problem, a, b, and x. We can still work with this and solve. We're just not going to get an exact value. We're just not going to get a approximate value. We will get an exact value. Depending on the way you move on this problem, you could get a different answer than I do. That is also correct. There are a couple different correct answers here. So if you get a different answer than I do, you can ask me in class. I can double check it and make sure that your answer is correct. It would just kind of be, your fraction would be flipped in the end. So let's work with this. I'm going to use natural log here just because I can. You can use log base 10 if you would like. But I'm going to use natural log of both sides in order to pull down our exponents. So I end up with 4x plus 1 times ln of a equals x minus 1 times ln of b. So taking the natural log or common log of both sides lets us pull down that exponent. Now, just like we did in the problem earlier, well, in lots of problems earlier, we're going to distribute in our ln's. So I have 4x ln of a plus ln of a equals x ln of b minus ln of b. So now I have my x terms such that I can combine them and get them on the same side of the equation. Now here's where we can end up with different final answers depending on what you move. I'm going to go ahead and move this way. I'm going to take this x ln of b to the other side. Which means then I need to move the ln of a from the left side of the equation to the right side of the equation. Okay, I know that looks messy, so let's cross out what canceled. On the left side, our ln of a is canceled. And on the right side, our x ln of b is canceled. And we do this so that we can get our x's onto the same side and solve for them, get them by themselves. The way we solve for them now is to, since we have x's in both of these terms, is to factor that x out. Once your x is factored out, then you can divide. So I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by 4 ln of a minus ln of b. So I solved for my x, and now I need to do some combining. Remember, our final answer, we want log or ln of one term divided by log or ln of another term. So here I want to do some combining using my log rules. The first thing I do is use power rule every time. So here I have this negative, that's going to become a -1 as my exponent for my b. And I have this 4, and it's going to be an exponent on my a. We can leave the minuses in the middle. Minus just means divide in logarithm world, so we'll use that. I'm going to go ahead and add a page and write this out for you. Okay, so b to the negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over b. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it like that. Ln of 1 over b minus ln of a over ln of a to the 4th minus ln of b. And then in logarithm land, minus means divide. So I have ln of 1 over b divided by a all over ln of a to the 4th divided by b. And 1 over b divided by a, that a is just going to go in the denominator with the b. So that leaves me with 1 over ab. And the denominator was already done. There's your final answer. There will be a problem like this on your practice quiz as well as a problem like this on your quiz.